everybody. Today I'm going to show either t-shirt or dress. If you have got too low neck, how you can alter it to make it higher. So before you do it, you should take your t-shirt, iron it nicely and turn inside out, and when you finish that, you fold it in half like that. You can use your t-shirt or a dress how deep you want your neck. So when measure it, you hold the measure tape from the shoulder and go around like that. So that's 5.5. Yeah. So when you have got 5.5, when you are cutting in this t-shirt, you are going to measure again from the point of that all the way 5.5, and you have to leave 1 inch for the seam, so that's 6.5, and you mark with the chalk. Just joint like that because the shape of the neck has to be properly. So before you do this, you have to take the sleeves off. So your sleeves is out now, you can see the sleeves. Now, where you have done the marking, you get a ruler, yeah, and I'm going to cut it, and then I'll joint again, machine, and put the sleeves back. So here, I have to cut my back neck to this line. So when you cut it, make sure the back neck and the front neck is big different, because here you are going to stitch it and joint it back. Now here, because the extra part, I'll show you here, and we want to join the sleeves. Before it was from here, now it will joint from there. So this is extra part which come off. And then you will put it like that, mark it. Can you see your sleeves is coming there? So with the chalk, you mark. Yeah, when you mark it, so you have to cut the sleeves till there. The armhole has to be cut because we have to fix the sleeves back. Okay, so here what I'm marking, that's the machine line you are going to do. This is 1/2 inch, that's your machine line. So before you do the machine line, you will finish the back neck, fold it once and twice, very fine. After that, you will join the shoulder back and then you fix the sleeves back. So I'm going to show you how you'll do that, so you can watch. That's my shoulder. Yeah, you can see the back neck is little bit extra. When you cut, you leave extra. So before you join the shoulder, you have to finish your neck. Either you can do with the hand or you just use the machine. So I'm going to use this as a machine. Make sure you do on the wrong side. Always check it. That's the wrong side of the t-shirt. So first, you'll do the neck like folding twice like that. Very small hem. Okay, this is your front neck, this is your back neck. You already finished it. So you are going to join the shoulder. So when you join the shoulder, make sure your neckline is together like that. If it's extra material, you can leave it towards outside, and then you join the shoulder like that. make it sure you do double line of the stitching so it's more stronger. So one I've done where I want, the other one I'm doing on the edge. Turn the t-shirt inside out. Yeah. And check the shoulder. If it's little bit extra, you can trim it. You can see a little bit extra here. Look, this is extra, so you can just trim that. Otherwise, the sleeves won't fit nicely. Okay, so you got your sleeves here. So how you hold it? See, I turn the t-shirt now. It's right side. Yeah, and I want my sleeves to go on the armhole again. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use that. Can you see it? So when you do that, you hold it here. You hold the t-shirt both. That's the bottom of the sleeves and that's the side of your t-shirt. You put it together like that and turn it inside out, and you have to machine all the way around. So make sure it's matched. So you match here, you match here. See my both sleeves, I'll show you. That's the seam and that's the seam. It should be both. Make sure you don't make a mistake. Don't joint to the shoulder. Joint it to the armhole and the side of the t-shirt, and then you carry on. Okay, you can see the result. You can see the neck is already small now and sleeves fits nicely and the back neck is perfectly done. So that's your t-shirt.